Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about two commands. One is thicken command and another is slice command. So let's see how to use both of these commands. So thicken command is used to give a thickness to any surface. For example, I want to just draw here a line, okay. I want to just give a line here, okay, and I want to extrude this one. I will just click here to activate this extrude, okay, and I will select this one. I will hit enter. Now I will extrude this one. Right now you can see here the line has no any thickness, okay. I will just go here in realistic view and you can see it has no thickness. So what if I just want to give a thickness? I will use here what? Thicken command, okay. I will just go here and I will change this view, okay, 2D wireframe, and then I will choose this command, thicken command. I will click here. Now it is asking about select a surface to thicken, okay. So this is a surface. I will select this one, then I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify thickness. So here you can give any of the thickness. For example, I want to just give 10,000 millimeter of thickness here, okay. So I will hit enter. Now you can see it has no thickness. You can see here clearly. So surface is going to change into thickness. I will just change it into realistic view. Now you can see here. So this is a way that how we can just give thickness to any surface, okay. So the next thing here is slice command, and if you want to cut any of the drawing or any of the object from any direction, you can use this slice command. What I will do, I will just go here. First I will change this into 2D wireframe and I will just choose this cylinder from here and I will draw this one here, okay. I will give second point, okay. Now I just want to cut it from the center. For that I will just choose this command, what? Slice. This is a slice command. I will click here to activate this one. Now it is asking about select the object to slice. I will select this object and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is asking about start point of slicing. So I will just give this point as a start point. For example, I will give this point, and now it is asking about second point, okay. So I can give any of the point of the second point. So right now I will give this point, okay. Now I will right click and here you can see one of the option, that is keep both sides. I will click here. Now it is going to cut from here, okay. Now I will select this one. This is individual part and this is individual part, okay. So I can move this one from here, from this grip, okay. Now you can see it is in two part. I will click here to just move into realistic view and you can see this is cut in two parts. So this is how you can just cut. What if I just want to cut from the center? I can cut from center as well. I will just change to realistic view. You can cut any of the object, okay. Okay, now I will just activate this slice command from here and I will select this particular object. I will hit enter. Now let me just check, this is the center, okay, and I will just give second point as this point and right click and I will just give keep both sides. I will click here and now it is cut from the center, okay. You can see here. Now I will just move this one, okay, little bit, and I will go into the realistic view. Now you can see it is cut from the center. You can cut any of the object from any side or any direction, okay. So this is a wonderful option. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.